Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best remote control boats for kids you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many remote control boats for kids and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each remote control boats for kids so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a remote control boat for kids. First, think about the boat's durability and material quality because children can be rough during play, and sturdy construction ensures longer use. Second, check the speed and control features as beginner-friendly designs with adjustable speeds make it easier and safer to operate. Third, consider the battery life and charging time since longer play sessions reduce interruptions and increase fun. Fourth, ensure the boat is waterproof and safe for both pools and lakes to prevent damage and accidents. Lastly, look for boats with bright colors or LED lights for better visibility and excitement. Choosing a well-balanced boat with safety, durability, and easy controls will provide endless entertainment for kids. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.